guys, welcome back. We got a new build in. This is just gonna be one video, but we bought this 2018 Kawasaki Z125 Pro. It was a theft recovery. We ended up purchasing this thing right under 1100. So this is gonna be the cheapest build. We're gonna try to stay under 1500. So let me show you what's wrong with it and get started on it. All right guys, so this bike only has 419 miles on it. I'll show y'all real quick. There you go. And it starts, everything works on it. It runs. Okay, moving on to the plastics. All the plastics are here. I went ahead and started fixing these, primed them, send them down. And I had to buy two on the side, ones that go on the fender, well, in the back, under the seat right here. So I had to buy two of them. Well, actually I only needed one, but I bought two because it came in a package deal. Everything's there. So all we need to do is just open these up, see what condition they are, send them down, primer it, and go ahead and get all the parts ready for painting. So let's get started. Yeah, these are wrapped. As you can see, they have some kind of wrap on them. But we won't need both of them. This is gonna be the right. This is just gonna be a spare plastic, I guess, if we ever break one or something down the line. But this is the one we need. It already looks like it has some kind of wear to it. So let's see if we can get this off. Not too bad. It has a little gash right there, but we can fill it in, send it down. Other than that, it's in good condition. Guys, so we finally got the parts primered. We're gonna let them cure for about 24 hours before we wet sand them and get them ready for paint. Alright guys, so we're done wet sanding everything. So we're gonna take it outside, get it a nice wash, and then off to the paint booth. Alright guys, so the plastics on the bike are all painted, as y'all can see. It's kind of hard to see it in here, but I did a 3-stage pearl white paint, so I'll give y'all a better footage of how it looks in the sun once it dries out. But this is it. Alright guys, so we got the parts all back from the paint shop. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this bike and assemble it and put all the plastics and rubber pieces, everything we need. So let's get started. This bike was missing a lot of screws, so I brought the whole box here. So I'll be going back and forth trying to piece some screws together. Alright guys, so this is it put together. It's all done. There's a little piece I did miss right here by the tail light. There's a little piece of plastic that goes. So I'll order that and put it on later on. But it's all there. I did order some decals that go on the side. Right here. I think right here is where they go. So I did order those. They will come in. And I did go ahead and order exhaust for it, so it's coming in. Guys, I have less than 1,500 bucks in this bike, all done, and well, of course, not counting labor, but it's crazy cheap. So this is gonna be fun to ride around. All right, guys, so I think this is gonna be a wrap for this video. I wanna say thank you for watching it. Thank you for the support. And if y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, please go hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram at Exclusive Parts Store. We do a lot of sneak peeks in there. So if y'all enjoy our channel, please give it a thumbs up. Peace.